Namaste, good evening, India. Our today's topic is, can we use nature? Can we use the five elements of the nature for healing ourselves? The pollution level is rising in the cities, as you know, and a lot of people are facing health problems, asthma, bronchitis, and many other chronic diseases like diabetes, heart problems, irritation in eyes is increasing. Now, what type of solutions we have? Because this level of pollution will continue. Can we use the wisdom of our Ayurveda? Can we use the wisdom of naturopathy, nature care? The one of the important thing I realized after studying on this topic, that our ancestors spent most of their time with nature, in nature. And now more than 2/3 of the population is living in cities where we are throwing into the atmosphere pollutants, exhaust gases, harmful and toxic particles are floating in the atmosphere, and we are losing our connection with the nature. The five elements of the nature are very important. The nature, earth is the first important element. You see the nature of the earth. It is keeping us grounded, and it is a home for us. And it is giving us stability. It is giving us a home to live. But our activities are what hurting the earth every moment, every time. Our body system also, you see, you have bones, you have teeth, all these are representing the earth element, the stability. Therefore, I find that nature walk is very essential. If we can walk barefoot in the morning on a grass, or we can connect ourselves with the nature, one factor is it will help. So we must take time out of the cities and go to forest areas, hills, where we can do and connect ourselves with plants, with the trees, which are the lungs of the planet Earth. So one factor, that earth to be used. Second, water. You know, there is a water cycle, and you have experienced that the climates where there is people are trying to go near to the water. If you ever sit in a garden where there is a fountain, you will get very good feelings emotionally also, and there are particles in the atmosphere which provide you healing effect. And water has many other tremendous uses. As you know, water is energy, water is life, and we are using, you see, for example, here I have with me boiled water all the time, so I can keep on sipping this water. This is water, it is a healer. I say and fold my hands, oh water, heal me, and I will sip water. So we can keep sipping the waters, hot and boiled water, many times in a day while we are at work. Water is a very important element, which is one of the five tattvas, and it is pure, it is flowing. So our life is like that. It is very soft and flowing, so we should be able to use water also in our life. Water is an element. What I am trying is that we should try to connect ourselves with the five elements of the nature in order to heal ourselves naturally, rather than going to medications and doing other type of things. So fire is another important element which we are using. What is fire? Fire is energy. Inside your body also we eat food, and Agni, energy, calories, they are produced. So we must be able to use the fire energy where you are already using for cooking your food. And inside the body, what we say, that eat right food and try to avoid the junk and the garbage food, because they give you nothing. So limit unhealthy foods and eat healthy food so that the fire element Agni, it is giving you the right amount of calories inside your body. So we must know that fire is a form of energy and we are converting one form of energy into another. This is a transformation of the energy principle. And you know, when I talk of fire, the natural source of energy of the entire earth is the sun. Therefore, it is very essential. Sun is also a source of vitamin D and many other important points, many important uses in the body, and has a strong healing effect. Therefore, as the season is changing, weather is changing, and as there is a more pollution, we are wearing masks, grounded in homes. It is essential that at least 15 minutes of sun should be exposed to our body. So morning time, you are in the park, you are walking with barefoot ground, you are touching the ground, then you use the fire of the sun, energy of the sun, expose your entire body to the sun energy for 15 minutes and you get plenty of vitamin D, which is a great healer, What about the air? Beautiful. You have seen the winds, the air is flowing, very light, air is present in this room also. It is very light. It kisses me, it touches me, and the air goes. And that is how the life should also flow like air. We should keep moving like the air. Gentle, kind, compassionate, kissing our body, loving our body is an element of love. And moreover, air provides us oxygen, which is very much requirement of our body. And therefore, in order to purify air, a plantation, certain plants are now available which provide more oxygen. They can be kept in the homes. Even a lot of people I know are keeping money plants and many other plants which are available and will be a good source of the air. So space is very important factor. What is space? We are living in a very, very congested world. While driving to your offices, going to your offices, you are living in very short spaces where we are confined and congested atmosphere, congested environment. So it is very important that we go in a place where there is more space around us, more space. So decluttering at homes, at other places, remove those articles which are not required, which are unnecessary. Create more space at your home, outside home, and try to move in places which are totally open atmosphere. This will also be a great healing factor. Therefore, we can say that let us first use nature, the 5 elements of the nature I talked of: earth, water, fire, air, sky, which I am saying sky, our sky is the space, as you can experience the beauty of the twinkling of the stars in the night, the sunrise, the sunsets, the moons. So we also connect with the space, and we will try to create more space where we live rather than cluttering the things. That is also, we declutter our mind when we declutter the things around us. So neat and clean atmosphere, healthy atmosphere, and therefore the first attempt which should be done is to connect with the nature, be with the nature, be a part of the nature, and have a time to go and experience the open fields, the open mountains, the villages or forests for the regeneration of our entire mind, body, soul and heart. तो नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ और मुझे समझ में आई कि ये 5 एलिमेंट्स जो अर्थ के हैं और जो नेचर का गिफ्ट है, हमारे एंसेस्टर्स ने इसका यूज़ किया और हम इससे अब यूज़ नहीं कर पा रहे क्योंकि हम सब सिटीज़ में एक ऐसे वर्क पर आ गए हैं जहाँ सारा दिन हमें लैपटॉप और इस तरह की सिटिंग है. और जो सिटिंग है ये भी डेंजरस है. सिटिंग इज ऑल्सो ए प्रॉब्लम. इफ वी सिट फॉर टू लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, then again lot of diseases like diabetes etc are become a part of our life. So we must keep moving, we must have activities, we must have exercise, we can use yoga, meditation, running, walking, jogging in the park. So nature is important and we should take the help of the nature for healing ourselves. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट टाइम.